As per usual, I was scrolling my feeds the other day and came upon this. A folding board game table. It was such a cool concept that it triggered my maker side, and I knew I had to try my hand at making my own. But for sure, if you really want a well-made one and not a DIY one, check these guys out. Now, the ingredients I'll be using for this project are pretty simple to get if you want to make a basic version. Got metal tape, magnetic tape, a hinge, some serving trays, and a pot stand. Starting with the serving trays, I was able to find this pretty looking one as a set of 2 for about $30. Next, this simple hinge was about $2. I wanted to find something fancier, but the thin walls of the tray really didn't give me much room to work with. Now this next one was interesting. I've never worked with any of this before, but you've got some magnetic tape, and some metal tape. Apparently you can cut this with scissors and stick it on stuff, and it makes it attached to magnets? The last piece of the puzzle was this pot stand. I really didn't know what to use for the base and came upon this easily disassemblable pot stand. As is, this is all you need to get the table together, but it won't be pretty. That magnetic tape is going to stick out, hinge won't be flush to the table, so it'll be a board game table, but not a pretty one. So, in order to do that, let's go to my local makerspace. We're going to use a routing table to make some channels to get that hinge close to flush and give us a flat playing surface. Oof. Not really sure how to prevent that wood from chipping off like that, but there's some prettiness points off there. Now, to put in the hinge. Alright, hinges are put in and they look pretty flush. See what I mean about the thin walls of the tray? I should do something about that. Next is the big boy channel for the magnet tape. Now I can measure out that magnetic tape, which now sits flat on that surface. Snip, snip. Fits perfect. Back at home, we can put on the tape now. Ooh, dusty, but still good. All together now. And then we can squish it with something heavy to keep that magnetic tape down and from curling. Like a big folding table, I guess, if you have one handy. Now, with some basic modeling, I made some different attachments to the table. Very basic modeling. Now the metal tape. Measure it out. Cut it. It said you can use regular scissors, but I didn't want to dull mine up. Anyway, here we are sticking it on. Stuck on, and some more attachments, bowls, maybe another one. I'll have to figure it out. Now let's try it all together. This table is looking a little limp. Huh. Looking at the table now, I see there's no way for the pot stand to support the table since it's so short. Yeah, no, buddy, that's not happening. Again, with basic 3D modeling, real basic, I made some extensions, added some rubber feet, and here we are. Now we're ready for the reveal. Hello there, table. Look at it all in its glory. Let's open it up. Take out the accessories. Put together the pot stand with the extensions. flip it over. Next, we'll satisfyingly attach the accessories. Magnets, how do they work? And there you have it, a folding board game table. For accessories, we have your basic card holder, a full deck holder that's open to draw cards, and a bowl for drawing all your tokens. As an example of what this table looks like in use, here's Dice Throne set up. With this configuration, you have all the cards in your hand on display, hands-free. Tokens are readily available in front of you, and your deck is ready to draw next to you. As we draw it, we can place it right in our hand. Underneath, you have room for food and drinks, so you'll never have to worry about spillages ruining your board game. You can also set the table up for multiplayer games. For instance, this is King of Tokyo. In the front, you can lump together all your accessories to make a community pool, and for the store, you can display all the cards for everyone to see easily. So glad I got to finish this project. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. It's got this wood chipping from the router, the magnetic tape isn't gripping because I didn't clean the surface before the tape, and I have to cover these bad boys up. But in the end, I'm so happy to be able to pull something together with my own hands. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me put this together, and I hope you give it a shot one day. Thanks for watching. Until next time.